Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we have a little bit of a little haul, just a mini haul. Not supposed to be spending funds, but I went to Hobby Lobby to get like 2 things and I walked out with other things. I'm sure some of you can relate. Let me show you what I first got. If you see my recent whip and chat, I started trying paint by numbers. What I did was I traded hobbies with my sister. She is currently trying diamond painting, and she is working on some diamond paintings that I gave her out of my stash. And she traded me a paint by numbers canvas, which I did a whip and chat showing you me working on it or attempting to work on it. So I needed some finer brushes because some of the areas are pretty small. Let me see. I don't want to break this. Where's my scissors? Scissors. I don't know. Sorry, I paused it. I wanted to get a pair of scissors to cut these loose. So I got some new paintbrushes to help me along the way with the little tedious sections. No. Okay, this is Master's Touch Fine Art Studio round brush for acrylic oil and watercolor. This is a short handle. This is a 5 out of 0. I don't know what that means. I know it's the size, but the brush was $3.99, and I did not get them on sale. They were not on sale. Everything else I got today was like 40% off. But it's a itty bitty. It's a small round, like little pointed brush. That's what the brush looks like. It comes with a little cap. So I got that for $3.99. I got 3 brushes. All this tape and glue. This one is also a round brush from Master's Touch, acrylic oil and watercolor, short handle. This is the size. It's just like a little fine brush, very fine tip. Did it not come with, oh, it didn't come with a thing. And then I got this one. This is an angle shader, but I'm going to just use it to use small spots. Here's the size, also $3.99. This is a little angled brush, very, very thin. So yeah, got that. And they were all $3.99. Now for the fun stuff. For my diamond painters out there, I got my stepson. My stepson saw that my sister was diamond painting, and you know, I think I told you guys that he diamond painted his first coaster a couple months ago, that I had in my stash that I wasn't really working on, obviously, but everything else I have in my stash I really don't want him to work on because it's nice stuff. It's more adult and I don't want him to ruin it and, you know, waste my money. So he's been bothering me since the last time he came to visit this week that he wants to diamond paint. So they had the Spring Shop diamond painting stickers. This is a 9-piece set. It was for $2.99. I got it for $1.79. I got 40% off. And it has these cute little dinosaurs and animals on here that he can diamond paint. They're little stickers. And then, of course, here's our diamonds. I'm not going to open it up. I want him to open it up. You know, I want him to be surprised. And it comes with our little cheap toolkit, which would be perfect for him because he's only 7. So, you know, but I always let him use one of my nicer pens. But yeah, so it comes with everything in the kit. And speaking of paint by numbers, they had a lot of diamond paintings for sale, and they had a lot of paint by numbers for sale on canvases, on wood canvases. So I got this, hopefully you can see, it's a lion on black canvas. This is what it's supposed to look like finished, cross our fingers. This was $9.99. I got it for $5.99. And the kit includes a printed frame, 3 paintbrushes, 17 pots of paint. And this is, and for all my diamond painters, because mostly it's diamond painters who watch my channel, or colorists, this is a 30 by 30 centimeter. So it's a little 30 by 30. And this is the field. And, you know, these areas look a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to paint in. I was going to gift this one either to Julio or my father because, yeah, I don't know. I think of lions, I think of guys. And I got this really cool painting for myself, you guys. From top to bottom, it's a T-Rex on color printed canvas. Guys, remember, well, if you were watching the ribbon chat, I was mentioning, you know, the only thing I don't like about paint by numbers, it's not like a diamond painting where you can see the actual picture in color in the background. It's all white with just numbers, and you don't get to see the actual picture until you complete it. This one, they had this one where you can actually see the picture. And it has the numbers. Everything's numbered. And this one is a 40 by 50 centimeter on a printed frame, 3 brushes, and 22 pots of paint. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. Whoops. Comes with your pots of paint in the back that are already numbered for you, which is really great. Oh, I didn't show you that. With the lion. The lion also comes with pots of paint in the back. I think I told you, but I didn't show you. But isn't that great, guys? This one is more, I feel like, beginner friendly. So I think I'm going to start this one today and give the one my sister gave me a break because it's driving me nuts. But yeah, I think I'm going to try this one today. And this one was $11.99, and I got it for $7.19 on sale, 40% off for the spring sale. Anything with the spring shop was on sale for 40% off, which is really, really great. So yeah, you guys, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this mini haul, a little mini craft haul. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified of any new uploads I put up. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed your time here today. And without further ado, I really hope you guys have a very nice Easter tomorrow. A really nice day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.